Calling all rave baddies! Who needs a backpack? What's up, Lunchbox fam? My name's Jose, and today I'm going to be breaking down the Lunchbox mini pack. This pack might look small and cute, but it's loaded with features. On the outside of the pack, you're going to find 2 stretchy bands that you can use to accessorize however you like. And on the other side, we have a stretchy pocket that can fit a water bottle. On the inside of this bag, you're going to find a ton of storage. We've got 1 large zipper pocket on the back, 6 more smaller compartments on the inside, and on the side, a whole host of card slots. The mini pack does have EL wire loops all around it, and we have a 4-clip ring system that you can use to change out your straps however you like. This pack is great for not only just festivals, but also nightlife, travel, and everyday carry. If this isn't the pack for you, make sure to check out our Lunchbox hydration pack or our sling pack. If you rave baddies have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, destroy that like button, and thanks for watching. I feel like I'm getting sass now.